battery holder. N4007 diode. Diode negative side connecting with battery holder positive side. 1K resistance. Resistance connecting with battery holder negative wire. 5mm LED. LED negative side connecting with resistance. LED positive side connecting with diode positive side. C-type base. Type C negative wire connecting with battery holder negative side. Type C positive wire connecting with diode positive side. 5-volt mobile charger input. Lithium battery.